Hi Rangi.
Tēnā koe, my name's Rangi Hapi. Just wanted to give a little bit of information, my experience with this program. It's been a really interesting journey, up and down for me. At the beginning, not really wanting to be a part of it, but as I've gone through the experience, I have recognised that as I've taken on board the tools of PERMA and also there's another couple of tools that I've experienced, these the 5 windows and also the influence sphere. I really was able to use my mindfulness to kind of reflect and see those in my daily lives. I've had a lot of positive changes since starting the program, and it's one of those things where you want to, I don't want to give all the credit to the program, but I have to say that the program has helped me in being able to identify things in my own life that were already working and things that I needed to look at and change and work on. And overall, the positivity in my life has increased tremendously. And if we did some surveys, and if you look at my first survey, you'll see that progressive change as I've come each week. The biggest thing for me is being able to feel more connected to the people. I've always struggled with my identity being Māori and how to fit in with everyone else, and I actually, even looking at the program at the beginning, I was very, by nature, I was very, I guess, suspicious, and that's just come from being Māori. But after experiencing the lessons and learning and the other families and seeing, there's a lot that I have in common with everyone else from all different cultures, and it's about bringing those things together. And I really have seen that. I went away last week quite emotional because I had some big for me there were some big things that came up, things from my past that I thought about where I am and where I want to be, and that's what the course does. It kind of confronts you with some of these really big questions that you have for your life, and especially about what you want for your future. And for me, I want all good things like we do for our children. I want good things for my children. I want to feel part of their lives, and I want to be a parent that doesn't have to be a parent as they leave the nest, as my children grow up. And even my special son, as he finds his way in the world, I don't want to feel like I have to be the parent that has to watch over them all the time. I want to be the parent that can be there to support them when they want me by just being there. And I think that was one of the things that really helped me with this course, is realizing, look at the future about what kind of parent I want to be, not just try and get through every week, every day, and doing it on my own. So the families and the learning and listening to the other families was a huge bonus, and you don't get that anywhere. I've never had that anywhere in any of the other things that I've done, apart from, I've done other courses in other areas, but we actually just sit down, parents, and say, parents with disabilities, what's going on for your family? And hearing so many different angles and different challenges, and then hearing their solutions, creating a network and a buck. What we do in Māori is we have kites, and just looking at my kite and going, hey, I can put this in my kite, I can put this in here because I can use that. And listening to other people's ideas inspires you to create better solutions for your own family.
Thank you. I think that your opinion will be really important for other families. Thank you so much.
All good.